three variable map. What are the possible values you are going to get? A, B, C as inputs, right? If A, B, C as input, how many cells you are going to get? 2 cube cells you are going to get. If it is 2 cube cells, how can you represent? Can I do like this? Can I do like this? How many cells you got? 8 cells, right? So now these are values what 0 and 1. So 0 and 1 values I am going to get with only single variable j, right? 0, 0, 0, 1. So if you would like to have 4 possible values, you have to have two variables, and you have to make sure one point here. This should be 1, 1. This should be 1, 0, right? So in gray code is meant for what? Mirror representation, right? As I'm saying that it is a cube will look like a kind of cyclic code, right? If you would like to get a cyclic code, what I said, each and every minterm should have to differentiate with only one bit, right? If you try to observe here, from 0, 0 to 0, 1, how many bits are changing? Only one bit. 0, 1 to 1, 1, 1 bit. 1, 1 to 1, 0, 1, 1. 1 bit only. If you try to take out 1, 0 to 0, 0 also, you are going to change only 1 bit. This is what. So that's as I am trying to represent the form of a cube, that you have to represent the form of like this only. Okay, fine. Now I am going to have values. Like this. Values like this. What are the meaning of this one? So can I write what is the possible values this one here? 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0 is one possible value. 1, 0, 1 is one possible value. And this is what? 1, 1, 1 is one possible value, right? I can directly write as f of 1, 0, 0 or f of 1, 0, 1 or f of triple 1, right? Meaning that if I are going to have expression with A, B, C as inputs, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, triple 1. What is the outputs, ma? Resulting function is what? For 1, 0, 0, 1 is output. For 1, 0, 1 is 1 is output. For triple 1, 1 is output. For all the cases, output is 0. Right? This is expression is what? Sum of the products expression. Right? If it is saying that it should be product of the expressions, you have to take out the zeros. Right? And all places you have to make zeros. Right? And if you would like to simplify the expression, how we are going to simplify? You have to take out the maximum powers of the subcube. Is it 8 subcube is possible? No. Is it 4 subcube possible? No. Is it 2 subcube is possible? Yes. I can make this subcube. Okay. If I make this subcube, what is the value? You are going to take out these two values, right? In these, what are the values are changing? 0 and C value is changing, so you have to eliminate C. What is the value is not changing? B. B means what? 0. 0 means what? B bar. What is the value is not changing here? A B bar. So with this expression, with this combination of 2, I got A B bar. So that is the meaning of it, right? If I am going to combine 2 power 1 cells, how many literals you are going to get? M minus n literals. N variables. How many n variables are there here? 3 variables. How you combine? 2 power 1 cells are combined. 3 minus 1 is 2. So you got this. Right? Similarly, I can able to combine like this. What is the data you are going to get here? A plus, sorry, A C, AC, right? So AB bar plus AC is the minimized sum of the products expression, right? So try to take out one more equation. Zero one ABC. Right, guys, try to observe now how we are going to combine. How we are going to combine? So it is not possible to combine with 8, not possible to combine with 4. Is it possible to combine with the 2? Yes. Guys, can I combine which 2? Adjacent, okay, right? You have to select that, right? 0 0 0 1, it should be 1 1, then it is 1 0, right? So the reason why I have mentioned this also because of adjacent only, right? Now which two I can combine? Can I combine top two? There is no problem, right? If I combine top two, what is the value you are going to get? You are going to get A as it is. So A means what? A bar. What about the above level which are changing? C is not changing. So you can take directly A bar C. A bar C, right? Now, don't worry about that expression. So consider only this. Now what is the value? How can you combine? Is there any chance to combine? No. Assume that it should be a cube. If it is cube, is these two are adjacent or not? If you observe, it is a cube, right? Or else you can understood 0 0 and 1 0 are adjacent or not, because one bit is changing. So I can combine like this, right? So this cube is going to produce what is the value? A, and what is not changing? B bar. So the result is A bar C plus A B bar. Is it okay? C number? Okay. It should be C only. It should be C bar. A bar C plus A C bar. Okay. Try to think this one. Can you do now this representation? How many cells are there here also? 8 cells. I can also represent like this, right? So I can say that this is AB. I can say that this is C. Right? So anyway you can represent. The way you are going to represent. This is 0 1, 0 0, 0 1, 1 1 and 1 0. Right? Or else you can take out this as BC, and this can be A. Or sometimes they may give as AC followed by B. ఎలా అని ఇవ్వచ్చమ్మ, that depends upon their requirement. AC అని ఇవ్వచ్చు, then B అని ఇవ్వచ్చు. That depends, right? So you can able to represent either in any of the form. So in two variable map you didn't get any difference because of it is completely a square, right? So now if they have given the values like this, what is the value? How we are going to group? Can I group these four? Yes or no? If I group these four, what is the value of this one? Is there any C value? No, because it is already altered. 0 and 1 are combined. What is about this one? You are going to get B because A is changing. A is changing. Okay, fine. So for this cell you got B, right? This is the meaning, right? If I am going to have three variables, I am going to combine two square cells, meaning that n value is 2, right? Three variables ఉన్నాయి, two variables తో combine చేస్తున్నామంటే resultant variable contains n minus m literals. So that's what meaning. So one literal is there. Now how can I combine this one? These two I can combine. Can I combine with one? I can do with combine one also, but the problem is you are going to get more number of literals. So you have to make a subcube in such a way that should be maximum. Okay, fine. So it should be, what is the value of this one? This should be A C bar. So this is the final expression. What is the value? What is the value after solving the expression? How we are going to combine? Can I combine with 4 cells? Yes. So can I combine these four? Can I combine these four? Yes, I can combine, because if I are going to take one cell, that cell is adjacent with two cells or not? Yes, this cell is adjacent and as well as this cell is adjacent. So I can combine these two, these four. If I combine these four, what is the value? A. Because these are all altering, so I can take only this one. Now what is another one? Can I take 2 or 4? 4. I can take 4 because I need to maximum sum these 4. If I group these 4, A value won't get, and you are going to get C. So the final expression for this one is A plus C. Okay. Now try to combine. Now how many cells are you going to combine? Can I combine with 2 cells? Yes. If I combine with 2 cells, can I get this data? Yes. What is the value? A bar, B bar, right? Similarly, can I combine these two? Yes or no? If I combine these two, what is the value you are going to get? A, C. A, C. Is there another combination are you going to get? Yes. You are going to get another combination as like this. What is this combination yielding to? B bar C. B bar C. So just think that now is the expression is finally minimized expression? No, it is not finally minimized expression, right? So because you have considered here this black color circle also, right? This black color circle is already covering the remaining two minterms. Am I right or not? Right? So that's the reason this is a kind of redundant. This is a kind of redundant, right? So this will look into later part. Later part means after 10 to 15 minutes we can come across again the same concept. How we are going to find out this kind of thing, right? So for the time being, A bar B bar plus AC plus B bar C also correct. But the thing is, the B bar C is a redundant expression here.